ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ ኢኩዌሽን ኦፍ ታንጀንት ላይን ቱ ዘ ሰርክል የሚለው ክሊር አይደለም ብላችሁ የ11ኛ ክፍል ተማሪዎች ስለጠየቃችሁ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። Before we are talking about this equation of tangent line, before writing this one, tangent line to the circle ማለት የሆነ ሰርክል ይሄ ቢኖረን ላይናችን tangent means it intersects the circle at a point. Tangent line to the circle ማለት ላይናችን አንድ ቦታ ላይ ሰርክላችንን ኢንተርሴክት ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ወይም ደግሞ it touch at a point የሆነ ፖይንት ላይ ኢንተርሴክት ያደርጋል። We call this is point of tangency እንለዋለን። ለምን አንድ ፖይንት ላይ ነው ኢንተርሴክት ያደርገው ማለት። ነገር ግን if we sketch some graphs, that means a line, for instance, if it crosses at 2 points, we call this is secant እንለዋለን. If we have a line which passing through the center of the circle and ends at the other end point of the circle, ይሄ ከሆነ በሴንተር ላይ የሚያልፍ ከሆነ we call this is ምን ብለናል? chord ወይም ደግሞ the chord is what? that is diameter ይሆናል ማለት ነው። the greatest chord you have ምን ይሆናል? diameter ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ታንጀንት ላይን ቱ ዘ ሰርክል ማለት ላይናችን አንድ ቦታ ላይ ሰርክላችንን ምን ያደርጋል ማለት ኢንተርሴክት ያደርጋል ወይም ደግሞ ጆይን ያደርጋሉ ማለት at one point. that point we call point of tangency እንላለን። ስለዚህ የተጠየቅነው ምንድነው? if have circle ካለን ታንጀንት ላይን ቱ ዘ ሰርክል አግኙ ከተባለ ምን እናደርጋለን? in most cases you have to take what the slope of the line which passing through the center በሴንተሩ የሚያልፍ ላይን እና ታንጀንት ላይናችን they make what 90 degree ወይም ደግሞ they are perpendicular ያ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? if have two slopes, two lines are perpendicular, the slope of the first line times the slope of the second line must be what? their product is equals to -1 ይሆናል። ይሄ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? the slope of a tangent line is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the line which passing through the center. በሴንተሩ የሚያልፈው ላይን ኔጌቲቭ ሪሲፕሮካል ይሆናል ማለት ነው ስሎፑ። ወይም ደግሞ በሴንተሩ የሚያልፈው ላይን ስሎፕ which is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent line ይሆናል ማለት ነው በሌላ አነጋገር። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያ ስራችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው በሴንተሩና በፖይንት ኦፍ ታንጀንሲ ያለውን ስሎፕ ስንፈልግ change in y change in x ብለን እንፈልጋለን። after that the slope of the tangent line means the negative reciprocal of what? the slope which passing through the center and point of tangency ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ነው ሶልቭ የምናደርገው። ይሄንን ጥያቄ እንሰራለን። now let us see it. x square plus y square, we asked find the equation of the tangent line to the circle which is equals equation of circle it says. So let's try to express this one by using completing square and we'll try to find the center of the circle. Let's collect x together. This means x square plus 4x plus here is y square minus 8y is equals to 0. Make this completing square. By completing square this one x square plus 4x take the coefficient half of the coefficient of x. x and coefficient half sinus that is 2 ይሆናል 4 divided by 2 square means that is 4 minus the same number that is 4 plus y square take minus 8y plus half of the coefficient of negative 8 means that is negative 4 make it that square negative 4 square means that is 16 minus 16 is equals to 0. So when take this one it becomes perfect. This becomes again using completing square this becomes a perfect square. Then this means x plus 2 the whole square plus here is y minus 4 the whole square is equals to here is negative 4 plus negative 60 means negative 20 ይሆናል። take this one to the right side ስንወስደው ምን ይሆናል? negative 20 becomes that is positive 20. So this is the standard equation of a circle ሆነ ማለት standard form of equation of circle ስለሚሆን what is the center for this? The center for this is equals negative 2 comma here is 4. What is our r? The radius r is the square root of this one as we said before. This is the square root of 20. 20 means 4 times 5 so which is equals 2 times the square root of 5. This is the radius. ይሄን ካገኘን let's try to sketch the graph. sketch ማድረግ እንችላለን graph of this circle. አለማድረግም ትችላላችሁ directly መስራትም ትችላላችሁ. The center is negative 2 4. Let's take somewhere this is negative 2. Let's take somewhere this that is 4. So they intersect somewhere this. The center here is negative 2 and 4. And radius means to root 5 means it is root 5 greater than 2 ስለሚሆን 2 times 2 that is it is greater than 4. So let's say maybe a circle looks like this one. Let us see this. So what it says that the point tangent line at the point of what? P is equals negative 4 and 8 means this is point of tangency. Let's take some point negative 4. Let's take somewhere 8. So okay the graph which is tangent line tangent to at this point. Point of tangency this is let it be P is equals negative 4 and 8 ይሄ ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው። So we said we have a line which passing through the center. ስለዚህ በሴንተሩ የሚያልፍ ላይን ቢኖረን as we said before here what ምን ይሆናል ብለናል? they are what perpendicular with the tangent line ብለናል። tangent ላይናችን ጋር perpendicular ይሆናሉ ብለናል። so what the slope of the line which passing through the center and point of tangency በpoint of tangency እና center የሚያልፈው line slope ምን ይሆናል? slope let's be that is m1 ብንለው which is equals change in y over change in x እናደርጋለን። change in y start from 4 minus 8 ብንል this is 4 minus 8 divided by -2 minus -4 ይሆናል which is equals 4 minus 8 means this is -4 divided by -2 plus 4 means that is 2 then the value becomes -2 this is the slope which passing through point of tangency and በሴንተሩና በpoint of tangency የሚያልፈው ላይን ስሎፕ የሚሆነው ምንድነው? -2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። -2 ይሆናል። ይሄ ከሆነ what about m2 which is equals the slope of tangent line slope of tangent line እና a line which passing through the center slope relationshipቸው ምንድነው ብለናል? they are orthogonal ናቸው ወይም perpendicular ስለሆኑ negative reciprocal of what the slope of the line which passing through the point of tangency እና በሴንተሩ የሚያልፈው ላይን ስሎፕ negative reciprocal ይሆናል ማለት point of this is slope of tangent line so this becomes 1/2 ይሆናል። negative reciprocal of this is equals 1/2 ይሆናል ማለት since it is -2 ስለሆነ -1/2 ስለሚሆን it becomes 1/2 ይሆናል so what the equation of a tangent line which passing through this point means what since a point is given ከተሰጠን ምን ሆነ y minus y1 is equals to m2 into x minus x1 ይሆናል ማለት what is m2 means this is 1/2 x minus our x1 the first coordinate from the given order pair here is -4 ይሆናል -4 ይሆናል When come to here, y minus y1 means that is 8 is equals to 1/2x. Here is plus 4 plus 1/2 that is plus 2. What's y? Y is equals to 1/2x plus when you take this -8 to the right side so no plus ለሚሆን 2 plus 8 that is 10 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ይህ ይሆናል ማለት tangent to a circle at a point which is equals p -4 8 this is the equation of tangent line ይሄ ይሆናል። Or if you want to have to collect them in one side ወደ አንድ ሳይድ ማምጣት ይቻላል። ሁለቱንም ሳይድ በሁለት ስናባዛ this is equals to 1. Take this x to the left side ስንወስደው this is minus x. Take this 10 to the left side again this is minus 10 is equals to 0 ይሆናል። ወይም ይሄንን በኔጌቲቭ 1 ስናባዛ ሁሉንም it becomes x minus 2y plus 10 is equals to ይሆናል 0 ይሆናል። ይሄም ይሆናል ወይም ይሄም ይሆናል። ሁሉም የሚያሳዩት ምንድነው? That is the equation of the tangent line which is tangent to a circle at the point p -4 and 8 የሚለውን ያሳያሉ ማለት። ስለዚህ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ equation of tangent line which is tangent to a circle at a given point እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። Let us see the second one. It says that x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 10y minus 128 is equal 0 at the point which is -8 and 10. ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያ ስራችን ብለን let's try to write this one as form of a standard equation of circles means collect x's together x squared minus 8x plus here is y squared minus 10y is equals to you can take here is 128 ብለን take this one to the right side then as we did before let's try to make this is using completing square this the first one x squared minus 8x take half of the coefficient of x -8 divided by 2 -4 square it that is 16 minus the same number 16 plus y squared and take half of the coefficient of y -10 ስለሆነ -10 divided by 2 -5 it becomes here is 10y plus half of -10 -5 square means that is 25 minus 25 the same number is equals to 128. So this becomes perfect square. This means x minus 4 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square minus 16 plus -25 means which is equals -41 is equals to 128. Let's take this -41 to the right side ስንወስድ ምን ይሆናል? This is x minus 4 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square is equals to 128 plus 41. This is equals to 169. From this what? The center of the circle is the center because here is 4, here is 5. What about the radius r? R means the square root of 169. This is equals 169. The square root of 169 is that is 13. As we observe here, we have to find a slope of a line which passing through this center as well as the point of tangency. Point of tangencyያችን ይሄ ስለሆነ በዚህ የሚያልፈውን slope እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው። ከፈለግን በኋላ negative reciprocal of this slope በመውሰድ it becomes slope of tangent line ስለሚሆን ያንን slope ተጠቅመን since we have a point of tangency ስላለ we can perform or we can find equation of tangent line ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። Let's try to sketch the graph. The center here is 4 and 5. Let's consider here is 4. Let's take somewhere this it is 5. Center it is, and its radius is that is 13. So the circle maybe consider this one. This is not that much beauty, but consider it as a circle. And its point of tangency says that as we did before, it is negative 8 and 10. It says let's consider is negative 8 and let's take somewhere this is 10. So the line may tangent at some point. Let's take negative 8. So when observe this as we did before, a line which passing through point of tangency and the center is perpendicular with the line which is tangent to the circle. Tangent line to the circle ጋር ምን ይሆናል ብለናል? perpendicular ስለሚሆን we can find the slope now. Slope which passing through በየት የሚያልፈው center, this is C ብንለው በሴንተሩና በr የሚያልፈውን slope እንፈልጋለን ማለት line passing through C and R የሚያልፈው slope let it be that is m ብንለው m1 ብንል this is m1 is equals change in y over change in x as we did before, which is equals 5 minus 10 divided by 4 minus 8, which is equals negative 5 over here is equals to 12 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ slope of tangent ላይናችን m2 ምናል negative reciprocal of this ስላል which is equals 12 over 5 ይሆናል ማለት we can find equation of a tangent line which is tangent to the circle at the point negative 8 and 10 sinus, it becomes y minus y1. Our y1 is 10 is equals to slope of tangent line negative reciprocal of the slope passing through the center እና point of tangent የሚያልፈው የኔጌቲቭ reciprocal ነው ስላል which is equals over 5 times series x minus 8 ይሆናል plus 8 ይሄም ይሆናል y is equals to 12 over 5 ይሆናል times x plus 12 times 8 is that is 96 over 5 plus negative 10 to the right side here ይሆናል plus 10 ይሆናል which is equals to LCM ማቸው 5 ስለሚሆን which is equals 12 over x over 5 plus here is 96 over 5 plus 10 times 5 means that is 50 ስለሚሆን 50 plus 96 which is equals 146 divided by 5. This is the equation of the tangent line to the circle at negative 8 10 ይሆናል ወይም we multiply both sides by 5. This becomes 5y, collect them together minus 12x minus 146 is equals to 0 ብለን በዚህ ማይነስ መንገድ መግለጽ እንችላለን or we can multiply both by negative 1. This is 12x minus 5y plus 146 is equals to 0 ብለን መስራት ይቻላል ማለት that one what we consider is that directly perform ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ምክንያቱም የዚህን circle ሴንተሩን አግኝተናል 4,5 ብለን and point of tangency r is this is point of tangency is equals 8 and 10 ተብሎ ስለዚህ point of tangency ላይኑን ስኬጅ ማድረግ ላያስፈልጋችሁ ይችላል from this the center and r is given so you can find the slope for this one. Let it be this is m1 which is a line passing through በሴንተሩና በpoint of tangency የሚያልፈው line slope ማለት ነው ይሄ but that this implies change in y over change in x ስላል y means the second coordinate ነው x means the first coordinate from your order coorder ፔራቸው ሁለተኛው order ፔር ላይ ያሉ ፖይንቶች you call that is y this first ያለው that is x ነው so this becomes 10 minus 5 over negative 8 minus 4 ይሆናል which is equals 10 minus 5 means that is 5 over negative 8 minus 4 this is negative 12 ይሆናል የምን ያሳያል slope of line which passing through በሴንተር እና በpoint of tangency የሚያልፈው ማለት ነው እኛ ግን የምንፈልገው ምንድነው equation of tangent line to the circle ስለሆነ we say that m1 times m2 is equals negative 1 ይሆናል ብለናል what is m2 is equals slope of tangent line ብለናል to the circle at the given point ስለዚህ ይሄ ምን ያሳያል m2 is equals negative reciprocal of m1 ስለሚሆን which is equals 12 over 5 ይሆናል ማለት after that we can find equation of a line now ስለዚህ ስሎፕ ካለን 1 ፖይንት ካለን we can find equation of a line by forms y minus y1 is equals to m2 times x minus x1 የሚለውን ፎርሙላ አፕላይ በማድረግ we can find equation of tangent line ማግኘት እንችላለን። this implies y minus y1 our y1 is 10 ስለሚሆን m2 that is 12 over 5 ይሆናል times x minus 8 ይሆናል ማለት this implies that y minus 10 is equals to distribute this one ስናደርግ 12 over 5 into x plus ምን ይሆናል 8 ይሆናል ማለት minus means it becomes plus ስለሚሆን but next this is equals y is equals to 12 over 5x distribute this one over addition distribute ስናደርግ 12 5ኛ this is 12 over 5x plus 12 times 8 means 96 over 5 take this negative 10 to the right side ስንወስድ it becomes plus 10 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ LCM ማችን 5 ስለሆነ we can take this as the forms 12 over 5x plus 96 over 5 plus here is 50 ይሆናል ማለት ለምን የ1 ስለሆነ ዲኖሚኔተሩ LCM 5 ነው 5 times 10 that is 50 ይሆናል። But the value now this is equals 12 over 5x plus 146 over 5 ይሆናል. This is the equation of a tangent line which is tangent to the circle at a point of tangency this one ማለት ይሄ ይሆናል። ይሄንን rearrange ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ይሄ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ሁሉንም both sides በ5 ስናባዛ ምን ይሆናል? is equals 5y minus 12x minus 146 is equals to ምን ይሆናል? 0 ይሆናል ማለት ወይም ሁለቱንም ሳይድ በኔጌቲቭ ወይም በኔጌቲቭ 1 ስናባዛ ምን ይሆናል? this is 12x minus 5y plus 146 is equals to 0 ይሆናል። ይሄም ይሆናል። በፈለጋችሁት መንገድ rearrange የማድረግ ወይውን እናንተ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። whatever the case it indicates the same tangent line to the circle at the point of tangency here we have ይሄንን ያሳያል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ያሳያል። ይሄም ተመሳሳይ ነው። ይሄም ተመሳሳይ ነው። in different ways rearrange በማድረግ ማሳየት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ወይም y in terms of x መጻፍ ይቻላል። x ንም in terms of y መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። ወይም as a combination of this በመጻፍ you can express equation of a tangent line which is tangent to the circle this circle at the point of tangency this one። ስለዚህ ማድረግ ያለብን ምንድነው? መጀመሪያ center of circle ታገኛላችሁ። center of circle ካገኛችሁ በኋላ በሴንተሩና በፖይንት ኦፍ tangency ላይ የሚያልፈው ላይን ስሎፕ እንፈልጋለን። ያን ስሎፕ ከፈለጋችሁ በኋላ ምን ይሆናል? slope of your tangent line is the negative reciprocal of your slope which passing through በሴንተርና በፖይንት ኦፍ tangency የሚያልፈው ላይን ኔጌቲቭ reciprocal ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስሎፕ ካገኛችሁ ፖይንት ካላችሁ we have to perform equation of a line by using what y minus y1 is equals slope times x minus x1 የሚለውን ፎርም አፕላይ በማድረግ you can find equation of tangent line ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ማንኛውም ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልን። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። በሌሎች ጥያቄዎች እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ መልካም ጊዜ እንሁላችሁ እመኛለሁ። ባይ ባይ።